What's up, everybody? It's Andrew Krause here, aka d.r.u, depending upon where you listen to music. If you've heard my stuff on television, it's under my name. If you've heard it at dance music festivals or on my SoundCloud, it's under my artist alias d.r.u. I'll link all that below. Let's get at it. I'm going to try to make a hip-hop track from scratch in about as quick as possible using some theory stuff. So my reference, I was listening to Blueberry Faygo by Lil Mosey. Just went to Spotify, looked at the charts. That record is like number 3 right now. Could have changed. But anyway, it sounds like it's in a major key to me. I got the BPM to be 99 beats per minute. I'm going to be doing like a standard backbeat at that speed. We're going to stick to a major key. What key should we write in? How about F major? All right. So again, I'll link my theory book below. I'll try to verbalize. I'm going to do a chord progression of an F major chord followed by a B flat major chord. How about a B flat major 7? And then how about a D minor? How about a D minor 7th? Drums. All right, not gonna cheat with drummer this time. Let's just bring up electronic drum kit. What should we use? Lo-fi glitch, you say? vocals. All right, steady 16th notes. Let's grab those, edit those velocities. Let's use our bus to create an auxiliary channel. Let's cut out the lows. Let's throw some distortion on that. Let's blast it. How about nasty, heavy distortion? On time. Where are we? Oh, we're under 10 minutes. Stoked. Cool. All right. So, a relatively simple hip hop beat in under 10 minutes. Let's listen to it. Oh, let's add some variation. So maybe we want a verse. We could go back into our simple drum beat. We could have our bass there. We could have our melody cut out. Let's bring in our other keys. Cool. All right. So again, just a challenge. Some people have told me these tutorials are so long. I personally like a more in-depth method, but here's a hip-hop beat that I made in under 10 minutes using some simple music theory. We're in the key of F major. Again, I was listening to Blueberry Faygo before making this, but it's not super of a reference anymore, or super relevant. Here we go.